I'm afraid, Gotenks, this might be one fight we can't win.
Then I guess I don't have a choice. It's too bad. I wish there was a crowd around to see me do this.
Huh? What are you going to do?
Just try and guess.
This is no time for your games!
Party pooper. Okay, stand back. Ta-da! Ho!
Gotenks, what's happening to you? What? Your hair? Your body? You've been transformed!
You like the new look? You should. Man, I rock. Yeah, just leave everything to me. Hey! With all this crazy hair, I barely recognize myself. At least it's better than pointy ears.
You've become a Super Saiyan 3! How did you do it?
It's no big deal. I'll tell you about it later. I can't stay like this for long. I'd better get to work. Alright, I made a hole. Let's go, Piccolo. If you don't make it through this one, I'm not busting you out again. Come on.